Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making Ofada Stew. If this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome and kindly consider subscribing. So let's get started. Here I have unripe pepper and onion. Then I'll blend them. I'll start by bleaching up palm oil. While at it, I'll cover the pot to avoid smoke all over my kitchen. As you can see, the oil is already bleached, so now I'll turn off the gas and let it cool. Also, that will help the smoke dissipate. This is fine. Now add the boiled meat and fry it for 4 minutes. Okay. Then set it aside. And also fry the smoked fish. I like to infuse the flavor of the fish into the oil. Okay, this is fine, so I'll also set it aside. Now add chopped onion. Fry it for about 80 seconds until it becomes translucent. Then add my locust beans and fry it for another 90 seconds. Okay, this is fine. Here I'll add the blended pepper. Fry it for 10 minutes until the oil starts to float on top. Nice, we're getting there. I'll gently stir it to prevent it from burning under. Now add seasoning cube, a little crayfish, stir it gently. As you can see, the oil is floating on top, so I'll add the fried meat. Okay. Stir it gently. Cover it and let it simmer for about 4 minutes. Okay, this is fine. And test it to determine the amount of salt to add. Okay. Then I'll stir it again. Taste it and be sure that I'm fine with it. So here I'll add the boiled eggs. And because the eggs are already cooked, I'll just let it simmer for 90 seconds to avoid overcooking them. Okay, so here is our delicious Ofada sauce. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do have a wonderful week. Bye.